Today, I'm excited to introduce a game-changing way for business teams to unlock the full value of their data with Databricks One paired with AI BI Genie. Databricks One is a purpose-built, streamlined experience designed specifically for business users. It gives a clean, easy-to-use interface where users can access AI-powered dashboards, conversational analytics, and custom apps, all securely governed under the industry-leading Unity catalog. This simplifies onboarding and scales usage across the entire enterprise with access to apps, dashboards, and chatbots. Paired with that is AI BI Genie, an intelligent natural language assistant embedded right inside Databricks One. It lets users skip the technical jargon and simply ask questions in plain English, like, what is our sales pipeline status? Or how did customer growth trend last quarter? Behind the scenes, Genie uses a sophisticated ensemble of AI models tuned with your organization's data definitions to generate accurate SQL queries and instantly return visualizations, tables, or narrative summaries. The business value here is huge. Genie's quick setup, governed data sources, and simplistic use democratizes insights so decision makers in sales, finance, marketing, and operations can self-serve answers they trust without relying on data teams for every query. It speeds decision-making, drives alignment, and lowers operational friction. Plus, all governance and security requirements are baked right into the platform, so trust is never compromised. Now let me show you what this looks like in action with a quick live demo. I'll start by creating a new Genie space and selecting my orders and customers table from my gold schema of the Lakehouse Unity catalog. With one click, I'll have my new AI BI Genie space up and running and ready for querying. I can run QA tests, add more data, custom instructions on how I want the Genie to behave, along with defining joins or commonly used SQL queries to provide additional context to the model. I can also customize the sample questions that will be presented in a new chat window. Let's ask the Genie to give me a summary of all the available tables and how they're connected. I can use this developer experience to fine-tune and fix any errors or inconsistencies in the responses before I make the Genie available to my end users. When I ask it what the total sales amounts are for each customer, in addition to the response, it allows me to download the data to Excel, add instructions, and even show the SQL code. It even prepares a nice graph in addition to the tabular data. When I'm happy with my AI BI Genie, I can make it available for consumption for anyone at my company to use this technology and get real data insights instantly using Databricks One's intelligent business interface. Users or groups with a consumer access entitlement will be able to access Databricks One without being burdened by the complexity of the Databricks platform for a seamless user experience to get quick insights without requiring deep technical skills. Note that the Databricks One is also accessible for testing in the free edition. Databricks One, powered by AI BI Genie, dashboards, and apps, are governed by Unity catalog data, and they truly bring data and analytics insights to the fingertips of business users in a clean and easy-to-use interface, empowering self-service data-driven decisions at scale. Thanks for watching.